Next for order.
Communication from the chair.
Honorable members, I want to congratulate those who have turned up for this fourth session, that is the first quarter, that we have to take our positions seriously for the working of our county, knowing that we are gearing towards the end of this financial year. As much as there are challenges, we expect to do our best. As a county, we have a wider the singular opportunity to build on the gains we have invested since the inception of revolution. It is high time that we bring all our assets to the fore and minimize the possibility of parallel initiatives like having the Ebunge machinani that could undermine our integrity and the dignity of our people of Nyamira County. This calls for collective and unwavering political support from the entire Republic of Kenya. We now call upon the political class to employ their best efforts and master their total commitment to facilitate a sustainable settlement that would lay a foundation for a stable and prosperous country. It is in the public domain that we have experienced unprecedented influence, which have left many questions to be answered. Honorable members, I want to reiterate that this is the only county in the Republic of Kenya, and in fact in the whole world, where we have two assemblies known as parliaments. This is where cassette notices are manufactured Riverside, that is in Nairobi. Then they take force, and serious decisions are made through those cassette notices. Honorable members, we also noted that a very significant process which is supposed to be honored has been overdone, where we are left with no answers, but we leave the courts to decide. It is becoming increasingly difficult for the honorable members to perform the oversight law when there is no good working relations with the executive. The executive is not ready to surrender important documents in the budget-making process, nor are they ready to provide information on how they have spent money allocated to various departments. Top on the list is the CWSP, Municipality Board, and the CBSP being given to an illegal outfit known as Ebunge machinani, dominated by special elects who do not represent most of the wards. Honorable members, remember the Manga Stadium which was designed to have a play field and running track, which is near to university and is already spent on the same. So this has left a lot of questions to be answered. No oversight is seen to be done because of the arrows being placed by the powers to be. Honorable members, as I conclude, I affirm our robust commitment towards achieving a sustainable peace and integration across the county. So, all means to explore and maintain our integrity should be given support by well-wishers who are ready to see Nyamira move forward as a county. We have been ridiculed, we have been intimidated, but we want to say that this is the beginning of making Nyamira a better county. Thank you. I wish you well as we begin this journey together of doing oversight. Next order.
SAG.
Next order.
Petitions.
Next order.
Tunafanya katika bunge hili, wameona ni heli waenda pale nje mahali hawaulizi maswali, na kwa kweli yule ambaye ili wafanyie vikao pale nje anapoteza wakati, na wakati itafika ukweli itajulikana. Kwa hivyo kwa siku ya leo, ile meza ambayo tunatumika hapa mmeiona hapa. Yale mambo ambayo yanafanyika pale nje, wanatumia stakabadhi ambazo ni bandia, asijaitinizwa. Na tunauliza serikali yetu kuu, kwa nini inaangalia haya mambo yakifanyika? Jambo la kustajabisha ni kwamba wameenda mpaka Central Bank, wamepatirisha signatories, yani ya kwamba wanataka kuiba pesa hadharani beupe, kwa sababu wale signatories ambao wamekuwa hapa wanajulikana, wamekuwa katika miaka karibu 10 wakikuwa signatories hapa. Mbona wanawatoa wakitumia njia ambaye ni haramu ili ya kwamba wapore zile pesa ambazo zimeingia pale? Sisi tutabaki kusimama hapa kwa hili bunge hata wote wakienda. Mimi niliapishwa hapa, sisi tuliapishwa hapa, na hapa ndio tutaendelea kukaa.